Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today let's see a kids special recipe, noodles balls. You will need instant noodles 2 packs, onion 1 finely chopped, grated carrot 1 cup, boiled potatoes 2 numbers, capsicum half cup, corn flour 2 tablespoon, taste makers, salt, chili powder half teaspoon, green chili 1 finely chopped. Boil the noodles till the noodles get fully cooked. Once cooked, strain the noodles and mash it well. To this noodles, add boiled potatoes, grated carrots, chopped onion, chopped green chilies, chopped capsicum, taste maker, and salt. Mix all together and make a thick dough. Take little bit of the mixture and shape them into balls. In a bowl, take 2 tablespoons of corn flour. To this add salt, chili powder and make a paste with water. The paste has to be in a running consistency. Coat the noodles balls in the corn flour mixture and deep fry in hot oil. Fry these balls in medium flame till it turns golden brown. The noodles balls are ready to serve. Now let's see how to store this for a week. Coat the noodles balls with the dry corn flour and store it in a Ziploc bag or an airtight container and deep freeze it. This can be pre-made and kept for a week. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.